Okay, my friends, this is Ian over at Buildabizonline, and I just want to show you a brand new tool I've made. Now, you know that we have our Pro Banner Generator just here. Okay, so we've got a number of templates. You can choose any one you want, and the one that I've just tested, I chose this one, and I created 3 banners, and you can learn how to do that by just clicking on here. Okay, so I've got 3 banners, and now I'm going to click on this other tool now, and this is the one, and you can find it right next to the generator. It's called Animate Your Banners. Okay, so because I've just done that, I've got to click on it again. Okay, so how do we do it? Well, I'm going to show you how to load your banners. Okay, so you create your banners, you download them onto your desktop, and I've done that just there. So there's number 1. Okay, now I can delete it anytime I want, just to show you that you can delete it. So there's number 1. Okay, and there is number 2, and there is number 3. Now I do believe, I'm going to try it. Let's see if this works. No, that's it then, that's good. So there we have our 3 images. Now all we need to do is click here, and it will generate it within seconds. Now if you right click on here, you can open this up in a new tab just like that, but this link here will only last for 2 hours, and that's so it doesn't clog up the system. Okay, so what do we do with this now? What we do is right click on it and save as, and I've already done it, but I'm just going to overwrite it. Save. Are you sure you want to overwrite it? Yes, I do. And that's it. Now then, so what do we do with that image now? We need an address similar to this, only a more permanent address. So what we do, click on this, and it takes you to the Buildabizonline hosting. You left click on here, and I am going to fix that hosting. I keep saying I'm going to, but I choose that one just there, and that's it. It is now hosted. Now what we have to do to get the correct link, because these links here are not the correct link, we have to click that 3 times, and then what we can do is copy the image address, and then we can open up a new tab, and I can paste it in there, and then click there, and there it is, hosted, Buildabizonline. So there we have it, my friends. That is how we use the new GIF creator to make it do exactly what you see here. Now, there's one thing I will show you before. I'm just going to click on there, and I'm going to click number 1. Because sometimes I think this is a bit too fast. So I've found that round about that speed is best. Okay, so let's just try that in a second. Let's go for the next one. And we're going to make that 30 as, oh, sorry, that's disappeared. So let's load them all in first of all, and then we can do it again. So there's the 3rd one. Okay. And now I'm going to make that 30 because I think that's a better speed in between each slide. So let's just do that. And we're going to go create. And you'll see that now has slowed down a little bit. Okay, so that's how that works. So there we have it. That is our GIF banner maker. So a great new addition that is in-house, as we call it. and not a third party. Because the trouble is with third party, there's lots of advertising all around it and it distracts you. So there we have it. Bye for now. See you in another training video.